Here's a bold truth. Managing money isn't about making huge sacrifices or cutting out your coffee habit. In fact, most people make it way harder than it needs to be. What if I told you that getting clarity on your money could take just 5 minutes a week?
I remember the first time I actually looked at my finances. I thought I was broke. Turns out, I just had zero idea where my money was going. Rent, groceries, random subscriptions, I couldn't see the forest for the trees. And honestly, that's the problem most of us have. We're trying to save money without knowing where it's even going.
Today, I'm going to show you why managing money is surprisingly simple, and it all starts with clarity, not sacrifice. I've broken it down into one simple framework that anyone can follow, even if math isn't your favorite subject. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money is going and how to get control without stress.
Step 1. Track your income.
Step 1 is super simple. Just list all the money that comes in each month. Your salary, side hustles, interest, gifts, everything. Think of this as taking a snapshot of your financial starting line. Once you know your income, everything else becomes way easier to manage.
Step 2. Identify your 3 biggest expenses.
Focus on your 3 largest monthly expenses. Usually this is rent, groceries, and transport, or maybe a car payment or streaming subscriptions if you're fancy. The key is to focus on the big picture first. Why? Because small tweaks in these areas give the biggest impact on your financial clarity.
Step 3. Quick win or demo.
Here's a quick win. Grab a piece of paper or open a notes app. Write down your income at the top, then list your 3 largest expenses underneath. Boom! You can already see how much money you actually control each month. It's empowering, and you don't need a PhD in finance to do it. So, to recap, clarity starts with tracking, not saving. Step 1, list your income. Step 2, list your top 3 expenses. Step 3, take a moment to see the real picture. Once you do this, managing money goes from overwhelming to actually kind of fun. Try this today and let me know in the comments what you discover about your own finances.